Okay, welcome back. My name is Shady, the Jumper. On today's video, we'll be talking about some of the bots that could be used to scan a token to know if this token is real or not. Okay, let's dive down. Okay, we go down to Telegram. Okay, this is our Telegram. Some of these bots that could be used. We have our safe analyzer bots. We have our profit price bot. There are many of them. Okay, but let's use a safe analyzer bot as instance now. You have this bot now. Okay, look at this. Let's use a particular token, for instance. Okay, we are using this token now, desire. Of course, this token is scam, but let's just confirm if we are right or wrong. Okay, we copy the contract address. Remember, here we have the pay, we have the Zai contact address, while you have the Rabbitone contact address. You copy the Zai contact address. You go down to the bots, you imputed this, and let's look at what it's gonna give us. I say this token is a scam. At first, look at the token. This is a pure scam token. Okay, the buy sell is 0, the sell tax is 0, but this token is absolutely scam. It's showing it like scam warning. This is a scam token. Okay, now for the purpose of this video, we'll teach you how to start from using this bot. Just assume that this bot is not it's not already saved on our Telegram. What do? You just go to Telegram search, you type safe analyzer bot. As you can see, you click on it. All you just have to do is to pin it on your chart. Once you pin it on it, just go and copy any contact address and paste it here. When you paste it, the bot will tell you whether the contact address is renounced. As you can see, whether it's renounced, the liquidity pool ratio and where the liquidity is being added. As this one is being added on Sushi Swap. Okay, the holders, the percentage they're holding. The first holder here is holding 9.2%, 8.8%, 7.8, and thereabout. The market cap of the token, this is 89.2 thousand market cap. The liquidity, this is the liquidity. The liquidity pool that has been locked, the percentage, this is 100%, is being locked for 380 days. The buy task, this is 0, and thereabouts. The warning, the most important, look at this warning sign. This is red. It's showing you red, meaning that you should stay clear. Stay clear. Okay. Thanks so much for watching this video, and on our next video, we're talking about more other bots that should be used, and how to also set up the buying bot. I have a special buying bot for those who are interested that we do sell. How you can use bots that you can use. We teach you how to use the bot and how you can set up this bot to use it for a transaction. This bot can do a lot. Thank you so much, and see you next time.